What is the scientific method? The scientific method is a way to ask and answer questions through your observation, experimentation, and recording the process in a way that others can recreate. These are the steps. 1. Ask a question about something that can be experimented and proven. Just think what, how, and why. 2. Develop a hypothesis. This is a well thought out guess about what is going to happen after the experiment is complete. If I do this, then this will happen. 3. Experiment. This is where you test your hypothesis. It is important to do the test several times to make sure you are correct. Make sure to have a control group. This means to have a group where nothing has been done to it. 4. The next step is to record your data or result of the experiment. It might be a good idea to create a table, a graph, a means, and state the relationship and/or trends. 5. The last step is the conclusion. Make sure to explain whether your hypothesis was true or if you were proven wrong. If you were proven wrong, be sure to explain why. Edward Jenner is most well known for his experiment with smallpox. In the 18th century England, smallpox was taking lives at an incredible rate. Those who survived were considered immune to the disease and cared for those with smallpox. Jenner had an interest in smallpox since he was 13 years old. He wanted to know how to prevent this illness. After many years of working alongside of other scientists and experiments, Jenner successfully created a vaccine for smallpox in 1796. Edward Jenner used the scientific method to create his vaccine that still is used today to prevent this life-taking illness. Jenner created his hypothesis that would forever help future generations. Jenner thought that if some of the substance from an open sore was taken and injected into another person, that person would create immunity to this disease. Edward Jenner conducted an experiment on a woman named Sarah Nelms. Jenner had taken a sample from her open sore and injected it into a small boy named James Phelps. The boy had a small fever, yet no disease was ever developed. Jenner had then concluded that his hypothesis was correct and he recorded his smallpox vaccine recipe. Edward Jenner questions why people had to suffer from such an illness. After researching and experimenting smallpox, he used the scientific method to develop how to save lives. Because of Edward Jenner and his use of the scientific method, lives are being lived longer and healthier.